Have you ever heard of a woman who outpaced the swiftest of men? Atalanta, the legendary huntress of Greek mythology, was not just a remarkable athlete. Her story weaves a tapestry of love, defiance, and fate. Abandoned at birth by her father, she was raised by a she-bear and became a skilled hunter. When her father finally recognized her, he wanted her to marry. But Atalanta had other ideas. She declared she would only wed the man who could outrun her in a race, a challenge she believed few could meet. Many suitors fell victim to her speed, but then came Hippomenes, a clever youth who sought the same prize. Armed with golden apples gifted by the goddess Aphrodite, Hippomenes strategically dropped them during the race. Atalanta, intrigued and distracted by their beauty, slowed down, allowing him to win. However, their victory came with a price. They neglected to honor Aphrodite, who punished them by inciting irresistible passion. In the heat of their love, they ended up in a sacred temple, defiling it. Transformed into lions, they now pull the chariot of the goddess, their tail forever entwined with themes of fate and consequence.